Marot, we have also filed an affidavit, Marot, in terms of order dated 14/2/2025, Marot, wherein we have brought on record the final final खात्मा report which has been filed before the
कब की थी फाइल?
सर 2019 में 7/11/2019
के बाद क्या हुआ उसमें?
सर उसके बाद की ऑर्डर शीट्स भी हमने पेज 189 से लगाई है एफिडेविट में।
क्या लिखा
पेज नंबर उसमें क्या हुआ सर, दी पिटिशनर इज आल्सो अपीयरिंग बिफोर द कोर्ट and he is submitting that since this petition is pending in which they have prayed.
Where is it?
Sir, Manoj will kindly appreciate page 189 of the affidavit.
Affidavit by IA number?
Manoj, ये है
document number 56, Manoj.
56.
हाँ। इसका पेज 186 की जो पहली ऑर्डर शीट है
186
जी
186 yes
मरड साहब ऑर्डर डेटेड 7/11/19 मरड आरक्षी केंद्र टीटी नगर से आरक्षक सोएंसो द्वारा थाने में अपराध क्रमांक सोएंसो की खात्मा स्वीकृति हेतु प्रस्तुत किया गया। प्रकरण विधिक आपराधिक पंजीका दर्ज किया जाए एवं एडीपीओ उपस्थित सोएंसो साक्ष्य हेतु आहूत किया जाए। इस प्रकरण में फरियादी अनुराग मिश्रा उपस्थित हैं। उनकी ओर से आवेदन प्रस्तुत करके व उक्त खात्मा रिपोर्ट के विरुद्ध माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के समक्ष रिट याचिका प्रस्तुत करके जिसका नंबर WP नंबर 598
हाई कोर्ट से।
यस सर, इसमें 2024 में स्टे हुआ।
3 ऑर्डर शीट पेंडिंग
सर ये 21/5/2024 में स्टे हुआ।
21/5/24 में स्टे हुआ। उसके पहले तो स्टे नहीं था ना?
नहीं था, लेकिन ये अपीयर हो गया।
ये अपीयर हुए। हम तो ट्रायल कोर्ट इनकी जांच करने के लिए बोलेंगे, सीजीएम की सबकी जांच होगी। जब स्टे नहीं है हाई कोर्ट से तो हाउ कुड दे एडजॉर्न द केस? देखिएगा, श्री टी.एस. रूपरा, लर्नेड सीनियर एडवोकेट अलॉन्ग विद श्री यूएस तिवारी।
इनसे ये पूछा गया था कि 97 का मैटर है।
पहले जितना पूछना भी उनका तो एक्सप्लेनेशन आ जाए। इन सबकी डिपार्टमेंटल इंक्वायरी होगी। It is Shri Swapnil Ganguly along with Shri
Harinarayan
Chari, Commissioner Police Bhopal. It is pointed out by Shri Ganguly that along with affidavit IA 56/2025, he has filed copies of the order sheets from the court of CJM Bhopal.
Yes, madam.
CJM Bhopal, to show that petitioner himself was seeking adjournments and was not leading evidence on the final report on account of pendency of WP 5982/18. Full stop. Next paragraph. It is pointed out by Shri Ganguly that High Court granted stay on the proceedings of the trial court by order dated 21/5/2024. Full stop. Next paragraph. Thus, the issue which now emerges is that whether the successive CJM, Chief Judicial Magistrates, were entitled to keep the matter pending on the dictates of the petitioner Anurag Mishra, representing pendency of the petition without there being any stay in the matter. Full stop. This is a serious matter and prima facie indicates towards the judicial indiscipline in the hands of the successive Chief Judicial Magistrates who adorned the office of CJM Bhopal from time to time on or before 21/5/2024 and the date on which final closure report was furnished, that is on
7/11/19।
पेज नंबर कितना?
186 7/11/19।
7/11/19। Full stop. Let explanation of the successive Chief Judicial Magistrates Bhopal who adorned the office from 7/11/19 till grant of stay by this court be called for, that under which judicial discipline they were obliged to adjourn the case only at the dictates of the petitioner, saying that the writ petition is pending despite there being no stay order. Full stop. Registrar General is directed to call for their explanation and take appropriate disciplinary action against them. let report be furnished within 10 days. List this case thereafter. Full stop. It is directed that furnished in the chambers. Full stop. As far as this writ petition is concerned, this court is of the opinion that since final report is already filed by the police authorities and it is to be adjudicated by the competent magistrate, comma, a blanket stay cannot be granted on such proceedings that would amount to usurping the revisional jurisdiction which is not vested in the writ jurisdiction. Full stop. Interim order is vacated, petition is disposed of with a direction to the CGM to take a call and decide the final report in accordance with law within 60 days of receipt of certified copy of the order. Full stop. This order shall be communicated to the CGM by the police commissioner who is present in the court.
सर लेकिन हमारी पेयर तो दूसरी है सर, उस पर इंक्वायरी के लिए थी सर।
वो वहां उसके बाद होता है सब कुछ। आपका इंटरेस्ट कुछ और है।
नहीं, हम तो 2012 से आए हुए हैं
अगर आप कहलाना चाहते हैं तो उसमें लिखें क्या आपका क्या इंटरेस्ट है।
हम तो 97 से लड़ रहे हैं सर।
हाँ लड़िए ना।
My name may also be reflected.
दो कैसे हो जाएंगे।